Okay, so this was something I was like really excited to get my hands on and show you people on the channel. This is Logitech G's brand new affordable category wired gaming headset, specially made for the budget gamers out there. The model is G335 and it was announced just like a few days ago in India, guys, and it's already in the house on my desk. So today in this video, we're gonna unbox and check it out. This headset packs like 40 drivers on board, has a microphone with flip up to mute function, and also has multi-platform compatibility, guys. You can use it with your PC, smartphone, Xbox, PlayStation, Nintendo Switch, and a lot of other devices whichever support 3.5mm headphone jack. So without wasting any more time, let's get started with the video. Alright guys, here's our brand new gaming headset from Logitech G, the G335. This is a wired gaming headset that follows the footsteps of its bigger brother, the G733, but at a much affordable price tag. So I'm like super excited to show you what the brand is offering for this price point. The G335 comes in this sort of box packaging. You've got the Logitech G branding, the model mentioned here, and a picture of the product on the front. It's a multi-platform compatible headset, and we'll dig into the features in a moment. Going to the side, you've got the specs mentioned over here. The headset comes with 40mm drivers on board with 36 ohms impedance and a frequency response range from 20Hz to 20 kHz. So those were some of its main specs, and at the backside also we've got some details mentioned, like the product comes with memory foam cushions, soft suspension strap, and a boom microphone with a flip up to mute function. So those were some of its main highlights. Now let's finally get started with the unboxing. Let me grab my knife and cut the seal on the package. There we go, the outer cover slides out, and over here we've got one more box with the headset neatly packed inside. We've got an accessory box at the top that says keep playing and includes a PC splitter cable for separate mic and headphone jack. And here's the headset we've been waiting for, the all new G335. Oh boy, what a stunner. We'll just come back to this headset in a moment. And lastly, you get some paperwork, just make sure to read that. So that's it guys, these are all the stuff we got in the package. Now let's finally check out the product, the G335 wired gaming headset from Logitech G. Holy smokes, what a beautiful looking headset. I absolutely love the color. It comes in two colors available in black as well. The one we have right now is the white edition. Initial impressions, design of the headset is very similar to the G733. You've got the Logitech G branding on both the ear cups, some protective stickers. Let me just peel them off. And wow, very clean and class look. Build quality of the headset is top notch. Body is made of good quality plastic in a two-tone finish, textured matte on the front and glossy to the sides, and goes very well with these blue accents. You do have the G335 branding on both the sides, a similar suspension headband design for a comfortable experience while wearing, and the good thing is it's got an adjustable headband strap. You can even take it out, reverse it, and even wash whenever required. Going to the other side, here you've just got the boom microphone that even supports flip up to mute function. Pretty handy, and since it's flexible, you can even adjust the position easily as per your convenience. Now talking about the controls, see this is a wired headset, right, so there's nothing much available, just a volume control on the right side ear cup. That's it. And finally coming to the cable, it comes with a non-detachable matching white cable with a standard cable length of around 1.5 meters, having a 3.5mm jack at the end. Now talking about the ear cups, as you can see they are fixed, the ear cups do not swivel, but the length of the headband is adjustable, so it's comfortable for most of the head sizes. Coming to the cushioning part, Logitech G has not compromised anywhere. The headset comes with a breathable memory foam ear cups that feel quite soft and spongy, and I love the blue color finishing they've used. So guys, that was our complete overview on the design and the build quality. Now let me just put them on and talk about the comfort and the sound. The Logitech G's G335 is a plug-and-play wired gaming headset that feels quite comfortable to wear as it's only about 240 grams. I didn't feel any sort of stress also on my head even after long sessions of gaming, thanks to that soft suspension strap. And coming to the connectivity part, I've told you right, it's a super easy to use plug-and-play headset that is compatible with your PC, Xbox, PlayStation, Nintendo Switch, and even your smartphones with a 3.5mm jack. That is awesome, right? And now finally talking about the sound quality was very good for the price. It features 40mm neodymium drivers and we're doing a good job. The mids felt crisp and clear, the vocal clarity was nice, and you could easily hear and understand all the in-game dialogues perfectly. The high frequency response was also good, it was producing smooth treble with minimum harshness. And finally coming to the bass, The bass was fine, but I felt it could have been a bit better, slightly on the heavy and punchier side. Anyways, the overall audio quality was good considering the price tag and comes with a great soundstage and stereo separation. You could easily pinpoint the enemy footsteps and gun firing directions while gaming. The TSD was also less up to 95% volume level, and the audio output also loud and sufficient. See, on the overall, for the price that you're paying, you'll be quite satisfied with the results. And not just for gaming, guys, the G335 sounds great even while listening to music, so it gets a plus point for that. Alright guys, now it's time to do a quick microphone test on this headset. As I've told you at the beginning, the headset comes with a non-detachable microphone over here, and the good thing about it is it also supports flip up to mute function. The audio that you're hearing right now is from this microphone only. Hello check 1 2 3 microphone test on Logitech G's G335 gaming headset. So guys, what do you think about the microphone quality? Do let me know in the comment section down below. And as I've told you, the best part is if you want to just mute this microphone's audio, you just have to flip up it back, and there you go guys, the audio is back online. So that's it about the microphone test. Well guys, that's it for today. That was my video on Logitech G's new wired gaming headset, the G335. It's a great gaming headset for the price. Super lightweight and comfortable, beautiful design, good sound quality and multi-platform compatibility. The only thing I wish it had was a little bit of more bass with a nice low frequency rumble. That would have made this product a killer. Anyways, the headset costs around 6,795 rupees. I'll just leave a link to that in the description box below. You can check it out there. So that's it for today. I hope you all enjoyed watching the video. Make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more awesome videos. And I'll see you all in my next one.